Good morning. Welcome to Apple Park.
So here is how the affordable iPhone looks in real life. The iPhone SE4 is set to introduce new features and a completely new design, rebooting the SE series. Recently, a Japanese vlog called Mekotikara shared 3D models of the iPhone SE4, giving us a better idea of what to expect. First off, the small version of the SE4 looks quite similar to the iPhone 14. For the first time in the SE series, it will have an edge-to-edge display, meaning the screen will cover almost the entire front. It will also introduce Face ID and a notch at the top of the screen, just like the more expensive iPhones. On the back, there is going to be a single camera and there will be a mute switch, which is a small button to quickly silence the phone, just like the iPhone 14. However, the SE4 will be smaller in size. The volume buttons and the side buttons are expected to stay the same as before. Interestingly, the source also showed a model of a large iPhone SE4 Plus, which Apple has never made before. This bigger version could come with a 6.5 inches screen compared to the regular SE4's 6.1 inches screen.
What?
However, since Apple hasn't officially talked about a large SE4 Plus, we are not sure if it will happen. For now, let's stick to the details of the 6.1 inches iPhone SE4. The blog also demonstrated how the SE4 looks when using an iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 case, giving us an idea of its size and feel in hand. Another interesting thing I noted is the inclusion of a Type-C charging port, meaning Apple is bringing this feature to the SE series too. As for the specs, the iPhone SE4 will come with a 6.1 inches OLED display, which means you will get brighter colors and deep blacks. It will be powered by Apple's latest A18 processor, which is the same chip found in the iPhone 16. This chip is super fast and built using TSMC's 2nd Gen 3nm process node, making the phone smooth and efficient. The SE4 will also have a 48 megapixel back camera for high quality photos. Another exciting feature is that it could be the first iPhone to use Apple's own 5G modem, replacing older Snapdragon modem. We expect the iPhone SE4 to be released in early 2025, and it might come with a 8 gigs of RAM, helping it to run Apple's new AI features, which are part of their Apple Intelligence project. So that's what the new iPhone SE4 might look like. It's going to bring some big changes to the SE series, like a modern edge-to-edge display, Face ID, and a powerful A18 chip, just like an iPhone 16. It is shaping up to be a more affordable iPhone with many high-end features, giving more people access to Apple's latest technology without the higher price. So feel free to share your thoughts on the new SE4 in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.